Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone screen not rotating issue in iOS 17. So guys, if your iPhone screen is not rotating as expected in iOS 17, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to solve it. First of all, you have to check rotation lock. Make sure make sure that the screen rotation is not locked. You can check this by swiping up from the bottom of your screen to open the control center. Look for the rotation lock icon and make sure it's not enabled. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down, and then tap on shutdown. Shut down Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to check for app specific settings. Some apps have specific settings that control screen rotation. Check the settings within the app you are using to ensure it allows screen rotation. After this, what you have to do is check for app update. Ensure that the apps you're using are up to date to their latest version. Developer often release updates to address compatibility issue with new iOS version. You have to go to your App Store, tap on your profile, and, and check those apps which have update. So you have to make sure you have updated these all. After updating all the apps and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is test rotation in different apps. So guys, check if the screen rotates in different apps. This can help identify whether the issue is app specific or system wide. After trying this all and you're still facing the same issue again and again and your rotation is not working properly, then you have to do is check for display and brightness settings. Go to your settings and tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size. Sorry, go back, tap on zoom. And you have to check that if this zoom is enabled or disabled. If it's disabled, so you have to if it's enabled, so you have to make sure that it's disabled. After this, when you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to do is reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone by going back, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix the issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.